So hello, and I'm going to tell you 5 things I love about my Apple Watch Ultra. So first of all, I've got a gigantic wrist, therefore the thing I hated, which has been recently reviewed in a video, is right now the thing I most love, and it's pretty big, very easy to see, and I've got a big wrist, so I really don't, it's not affected that the fact that it's 44 millimeters. Secondly, I think it's great for golf. I use the Golf Shot app, which is free, and it's pretty much amazing. You have it right here, and it's pretty much amazing. Really like it. Secondly, heart rate monitoring, and the button right here, and it starts the workout. It's pretty much amazing. I really like it. Now, the third thing would be the actual wristband. Is pretty much amazing. I find it really comfortable. Fourth thing would be the measuring the heart rate, does it very, very accurately, and I think that's pretty much amazing. And the fifth thing, and I think I love the most, is that this current Apple Watch, you can dive, you can swim, you can do almost any sport with it, and I think they've just nailed it for us that really enjoy sports. Let me know in the comments what you think.